Good morning, cadets. Our lesson this morning is all about military history and evolution. The scope of my presentation: military of ancient Rome, World War I armies, World War II armies, and contemporary armies. Before I proceed, let us define first what is ancient Rome. Ancient Rome is the name given to the Roman civilization from the 8th century BC to the 5th century AD. It includes the Roman Kingdom, the Roman Republic, and the Roman Empire. According to Titus Livius, one of the more illustrious historians of Rome over the centuries, the military of ancient Rome was a key element in the rise of Rome above 700 years, from a small settlement in Latium to the capital of an empire governing a wide region around the shores of the Mediterranean, or as the Romans themselves said, Mare Nostrum, our sea. Another historian, contemporary of Livy, named Titus Flavius Josephus, sometimes high-ranking officer in the Roman army and commander of the rebels in the Jewish revolt, describes the Roman people as if they were born readily armed. So, the Romans ay kilala sila na warrior, no? Born readily armed. At the time of the two historians, Roman society had already evolved an effective military and had used it to defend itself against the Etruscans, the Italics, the Greeks, the Gauls, the Maritime Empire of Carthage, and the Macedonian kingdoms. The rule and structure of the military were then altered during the empire. It became less Roman. The duties of border protection and territorial administration being more and more taken by foreign mercenaries officered by Romans. When they divided at last into warring factions, the empire fell, unable to keep out invading armies. The military's campaign history stretched over 1,300 years and saw Roman armies campaigning as far east as Parthia, modern-day Iran, as far south as Africa, modern-day Tunisia, and Egyptus, modern-day Egypt, and as far north as Britannia, modern-day England, South Scotland, and Wales.